and action. But why are you drinking rum now? Versus put it on your paint.
Because I'm thirsty, I wanted to imply the other you, and so I did it.
Oh, it's okay, what's it, run out, and when we get you another one, then will you take two?
Why did you get replaced by T-Rex?
Nice, you killed a dinosaur, but it's okay after we get Thomas and the driver out, then we you take three. But why Thomas and James swap roles? Also, why is James black, Thomas is dark green?
It's our first blooper. Wait a minute, alright.
It's okay after we change it back the original role and change it back the right color, then will you take four?
This will teach you a lesson. This will teach you a lesson. Oops.
But Thomas, why did you push truck outer space? But it's okay, once we rescue the trucks, then we'll do final take.
You have nothing to defeat me. Simper and dashes Percy off the desk.
I will say, Percy, miss me.
I made you show up.
If you were you.
Percy, are you okay? I'm so happy that you're clear. Letter. Dear Thomas, Percy, oh.
Yeah.